And finally getting around to putting the engine shock absorber and clutch and chain back on the bike on the primary side. So here's just a quick flyby of all the parts. New chain, new springs, new spring plate, and here we go. That seemed to take more effort than it should have. So I just posed the question on the VOC forum, the Vincent Owners Club forum, and minutes later I got a reply from Greg. So thank you so much, Greg. I think you're absolutely right what was happening. So this spline here, I pushed that too far onto the shaft, and then when this was tightened up, I think what was happening is this washer here wasn't locating on the spline, and so I was tightening it off line, and it was catching like that and just bottoming out. So what Greg suggested is pull this spline back on the shaft, locate this, make sure that it's located, and then start tightening the nut, and it should draw it back onto the shaft. So I'm going to try that right now. Thanks again, Greg. Really appreciate it. Of course, with the washer on, I couldn't see that it was locating. I just assumed it was. Yeah, that was a big mistake on my part. So anyway, I didn't keep going with the tightening, so hopefully there's no damage done. So we're going to repeat the process again this time. Oh my gosh, there it is, look at that. That's what it was. Oh, that was it. Greg, thank you so much. Look at that, a million times better.